In any lab, first thing to do is reading the safety instructions. Right here, several safety rules had been violated. No long sleeve shirts are allowed, watches or any kind of jewelries, key linears, short pants, and open-toe shoes. Also, safety goggles are required. There are safety buttons in each machine in case of an emergency. Here are the materials we are gonna work on. A brass bar for the hammerhead and an aluminum bar for the handle. First, we're gonna work on the brass bar. This is a lathe machine, used for surface finishing. This machine doesn't require collets to hold the workpiece because it has adjustable teeth that can take different diameters. This is how to install the workpiece and adjust the width of the teeth. This machine can rotate both ways, left and right. This handle right here is to control the speed of the operation. There are many cutting tools that do different jobs. Right here, we are going to use the smooth surface cut, and we have to be careful not to exceed the limit of the needed diameter. Keep on going until you finish the whole surface. After that, grooving, and this screen shows you the depth you are reaching. These are different collets to hold different diameter pieces. Same thing is done to the aluminum bar. And this is how it should look after the first step.
Now we start using the milling machine with a hole in the center of the head in order to fit the handle in it. After that, we use the press and fit machine. We press the handle inside the hole and make sure it doesn't slip off. Then we use the plastic sanding machine to give it a good look and protect the outer surface. this is how it looks before the plastic sanding, and this is how it looks after the plastic sanding.
After that, using the milling machine, we want to make room inside the aluminum plate to fit the whole hammer in it. Using these different drill heads, this device basically tells you the 0 point on the Z-axis, and this handle controls the speed of the operation.
This is the last step, printing your name on the plate using this program machine. This is the final results in real material. And this is the 3D printed.
Lastly, don't forget to clean any mess after you finish operating.